How to cancel Uber Eats order. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the cancellation of an Uber Eats order really depends upon what stage the order is. If you just ordered, it's not even been a minute, you just ordered and the delivery rider has not accepted, or maybe just accepted it like it's been a minute or two, but they have not went and told the restaurant and told to prepare the order. In that case, even if you cancel it, there's nothing to lose. But if you've ordered something, it's already been like half an hour or something like that, and the restaurant has already prepared and packaged the order, they've already started making stops, cooking it up, in that case you have to pay a certain amount of fee, because you cancel the order but their food is going to go to waste. So you have to actually pay a compensation for that, otherwise you will not be able to cancel it because you are going to incur a fee. So all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Uber Eats application here, and once you launch the Uber Eats app, sometimes if you're lucky, what you want to do, it's after you're logged in, what you want to do from here is tap the account icon from here, and once you go ahead and then basically tap the account icon, go to the orders tab. When you go to the orders tab, you'll be able to see the orders that you've made, and you should be able to cancel them respectively. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.